Okay, this is the chart of the Lupin Limited. This Lupin, the 1 hour chart is also in a rising wedge. Okay, you can see this. This is the first stage. After the second stage, the normally in the top of this switch, this is slippage. So nearly three touches on top. Bottom also one, two, three, and four, five touches. So I think this time have a chance to break from downside, because normally uh, the rising which can break on downside. Okay, so this time this market can have a chance to break from this area. Otherwise, another chance have, sometime this market can go up and okay again come to the market, this type of chance. So you need to wait for the breakout, and after you can go for a sell. Okay, so only you have to wait the market and be patient, and after you can go for the trade. Okay, thank you.